Okay, so here's this air compressor. And if we take a look down here, it has an automatic electronic drain valve that opens periodically. Right here. It has this tube, this 1/4-inch drain line that comes around and goes into this disposable oil water separator. And then you have the drain line that comes out here. This green line runs around and into this floor drain. But you can see how milky it looks. So that means we're getting a lot of emulsified oil from the air compressor mixed with the water. And we're getting some carryover into the drain. Obviously we want to avoid that. We don't want that. So it's time to change this disposable oil water separator. That's the purpose of this video, is to remind you to change and service your oil water separators. Some are disposable, like this one, where you replace the entire unit. Some you can service. This one is for a 15 horsepower max, 60 CFM max flow rate, 1 gallon capacity. It uses sterling media, 232 psi max air pressure. On the very bottom, it's hard to see, but it tells you the replacement interval every 1 to 2 years. So just a friendly reminder, make sure you service your oil water separators on your air compressors. I hope you find this helpful. And remember to always discharge to a authorized drain that is approved by your local authority having jurisdiction. And these do come in different sizes depending on the horsepower and CFM rating and flow rate that you need for your air compressor. Quick disclaimer, this is not a paid promotion for this product. It's just what this customer uses at this facility. I want to tell you about a Practical Facilities Maintenance Handbook, available now in paperback and ebook format on Amazon.com. It has common facilities documents, signage, tags, resource and training material, as well as common shop equipment drawings that you can use to fabricate shop equipment for your facility. The link for this book is in the video description below. And if you need hats, shirts, mugs, or weather-resistant stickers for your facility, there is a link in the video description below where you can buy these products for your facility. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.